Namaskar and a very good evening. I, on behalf of Nursery Wing of DAV Sahibabad, warmly welcome our Honorable Principal Sir, Shri V.K. Chopra ji, parents, and my dear children to our maiden virtual exhibition, Miraki, Unleashing the Kids' Creativity. Let's begin on an auspicious note with the lighting of lamp by our respected Principal Sir.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम्.
Here we have our little singers from preschool who are going to enchant you by singing of an Om Bhajan.
Nyala Om है, Nyala Om है, हम सबका साला Om है. Nyala Om है, Nyala Om है, हम सबका साला Om है. हम आपके बच्चे हैं, अपनी शरण में रखना. हम आपके बच्चे अपनी शरण में रखना. प्यारा ओम है, न्यारा ओम है, हम सबका सहारा ओम है. हमें आपके कदमों पर एक सच्ची राह पे चलना. हमें आपके कदमों पर एक सच्ची राह पे चलना. प्यारा ओम है, प्यारा ओम है, हम सबका सहारा ओम है. ओम है, प्यारा ओम है, हम सबका सहारा ओम है. तुम जरा करके करना. एक समाजला कर मेरे दिल में उजाला कर देना. एक समाजला कर मेरे दिल में उजाला कर देना. प्यारा ओम है, प्यारा ओम है, हम सबका सहारा ओम है.
Our pre-primary children are very eager to welcome you all by their dance performance.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration. It's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for
get enriched with a few words by our esteemed principal sir Shri V.K. Chopra ji.
Dear parents, our country faced an unprecedented global pandemic, as a response to which nationwide lockdown was announced. But difficulties are meant to rouse, not discourage. Even in these trying times, DAV Sahibabad has gone the extra mile to make sure that COVID-19 pandemic does not become a deterrent in our students' education. Otherwise, in a way, traditional classes are more suitable for the young children, as they allow active interaction with the teachers and also active interaction with the students of their own age. But our talented staff during these days, difficult days, has left no stone unturned to ensure that the same care, concern, affection and attention is provided to students during the online classes. We are committed to the improvement and growth of student community and see our students soar to new heights and taste success in all their endeavors. We strive to provide a nurturing and caring environment that will see our students blossom into empowered and sensitive human beings. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the parents, to all the well-wishers for your invaluable support and sincere involvement in the school and its activities and the plans of the institution. During these difficult times, let us reaffirm our concern and constant support to each other and deal with this situation with vigilance and more care. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Mrs. Nandita Vaid, our nursery wing in charge, will take you through the annual report of the wing.
Children need the freedom to appreciate the infinite resources of their hands, their eyes, and their ears, the resources of forms, materials, sounds, and colors. Inspired by this wonderful thought, I extend my heartiest greetings for a very happy new year to all of you and warmly welcome our respected Principal Sir and all the other esteemed guests to the Nursery Wing exhibition, Maraki, Unleashing the Kids' Creativity. It is time to pause, turn around and to look at the fruitful year gone by, achieving both the expected and unexpected while setting various milestones and then synergizing ourselves to move ahead to face the challenges in the coming year with a positive attitude. With great pleasure, I present to you the annual report of our nursery wing for the academic year 2020-21, where the focus was laid on the holistic development of every child. This academic year saw a lot of changes. Our preschool calendar was filled with activities that were not only fun for our little minions but were also enlightening as always. Our classes begin on an auspicious note with chanting of Gayatri Mantra and DAV anthem. Healthy minds stay in a healthy body. To energize the children from their sleepy mode, almost daily we have breathing exercises, aerobics, etc. during online classes. The series of events took off with the celebration of different color days in preschool like the red day, the yellow day, the green day, etc. These days were particularly celebrated to make everyone understand the significance of each color. The fun-filled color days were thoroughly enjoyed by our children as well as parents. Various festivals which followed were celebrated with fun and fervor. To list a few festivals, we had Krishna Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Dashehra, Diwali, Christmas, etc. National days like Gandhi Jayanti, the Independence Day, were also celebrated. Virtual flag hosting ceremony was done by our esteemed Principal Sir on the Independence Day. Mass activities are another important source when it comes to enlarging the children's knowledge. They provide a platform where the children can showcase their talent, creativity, and assist the children in getting a better insight about various themes. They also promoted child's confidence and self-esteem. Hence, various mass activities were organized and for the children such as pick up kids, draw your imagination, fancy dress, etc. Important days were celebrated to inculcate the life skills and moral values in children like the Milk Day, the Earth Day, the World Global Hand Washing Day, Mother's Day, and many more. During normal times, various trips are organized for the children, but this year, due to Corona pandemic, we organized virtual trips to Bal Bhavan, Zoo, Dashehra Mela. The virtual trip highlight of the year was when the children were given the virtual trip tour of their school, DAV Public School, Sahibabad. The children were really astonished and delighted when they virtually visited their school, as for many it was the first time that they had seen their school building and its interiors. Experiential learning is distinct from rote learning, in which the learner plays a comparatively passive role. Maria Montessori believed that all children behave like little scientists to make discoveries about the world. Children discovered, explored, and enjoyed various realities of life in their classes, doing many STEM experiments. Summer camp is important because it offers a structured opportunity for the children to grow. Nursery Wing organized its summer treats, which comprised of numerous interesting activities for the overall development of the children. Certificates of participation and appreciation were also awarded to the children. Our young stars achieved new heights in the inter-school choreo competitions organized by Nehru World School and were awarded for their excellent performances. Dancing superstar Dravya Kothari, the grand recital by Guhika Mehta, and Mold It Out talented Virat Tomar were the standout performers, to name a few. E-Magazine Reflections was made by teachers to give the glimpses of activities and celebrations held in the previous year 2019-20. Parent-teacher meetings play a significant role in enhancing a child's education. Every month, the school organizes such meetings for the benefits of children's overall development. In the current context of lockdown and restrictions on movements, children have constrained access to socialization, play, and even physical contact. The pandemic has also brought stress burden on the parents and caregivers. With the intention of helping and supporting children and parents, counseling sessions by the counselor and teachers were organized. In this difficult time, let's all commit to mitigate the effects of COVID-19 on those who deserve the most protection, that is, our children. Teachers, play an important role in boosting learners' engagement in education affected by the pandemic. Many workshops on capacity building programs were organized by DAV CMC for teachers. Lots of CBSE webinars and school orientation programs for teachers were also organized to develop ways to translate practical skills from the traditional classroom to the digital learning space. None of the above would be possible without the help and commitment of the principal sir and whole school community, the teachers, the parents and the children. To the parents of the nursery wing children, I present my heartfelt gratitude for your interest, enthusiasm and constant support for our endeavors. There is always a very happy and positive atmosphere in our classes which is truly appreciable. Hereby, I would like to conclude the annual report with the following words. If children feel safe, they can take risks, ask questions, make mistakes, learn to trust, share their feelings and grow. Thank you.
Every day holds a surprise for us. We should not be afraid to receive each day's surprise. Whether it comes to us as a joy or as a sorrow, it opens a new place in our hearts. Well, today we have a lot of surprises for the beautiful audience present here. Yes, it is truly said, the harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. Here we begin with the Achievers Ceremony. In the first category for Speak Up Kids, the Achievers Award for an eloquent speaker in preschool goes to Anaya Kansal, Navya, Rohini Jalali, Gohika Mehta, Plaksha Prabhat, Tanish Kumar and Yashveer Tyagi. Now an eloquent speaker from pre-primary classes are Shiven Sharma, Aviral Johri, Ravya Kothari, Viraj Pratap Singh, Ananya Chatterjee, Virat and Harshil Agarwal. A super speaker from preschool are Tarani Ahuja, Purnima, Shaurya Saxena, Amay Jain, Aradhya and Ishika. A super speaker in pre-primary goes to Ishika, Kanishka Adhana, Dhruv Agarwal, Anam, Palaksha Deep, Harshivi, Saksh Mishra and Shubhangi Gupta. Now the passionate performer in the preschool are Veer Pratap Gaur, Samriddhi Gaurav, Ashneer Kaur, Arna Gautam, Aradhya Bali, Rishika Singh and Avish Dangi. The passionate performer in pre-primary goes to Sanskriti Sehrawat, Ishan Sharma, Riyansh, Omisha Jha, Riyansh Savan, Anaya Singh, Priyal Kaushik, Ahan Singh and Shaurya Rawat. The next award for showing great efforts in preschool goes to Yukta Sachdeva, Adrika Singhal, Kian Mahajan, Adrit Burman, Atiksh Sharma and Taransh Gupta. The achievers in pre-primary class for showing great efforts are Yashika Unyal, Ansh Giri, Devika Poniwal, Aditya Rawat, Smith, Aviral Sirohi, Sarya Gupta and Rishabh De Roy. The award for showing sincere efforts in preschool goes to Anvi Sharma, Anay Maurya, Tanisha Karnik, Rudransh Rana, Urvi and Aksh. For showing sincere efforts in pre-primary classes, Yuvraj Maggu, Akshi Chaudhary, Aradhya Tyagi, Abhinav Tyagi, Aman Kumar, Jaykrish Kapoor and Myra Chaudhary. Here comes the next category, English Rhyme and Rhythm. And the first award in this category as a distinctive performer goes to Yuvan Bisht, Arnit Walia, Anushka Bisht, Kuhika Mehta, Akshat Chauhan and Anaya Khurana. A distinctive performer from pre-primary classes are Gauransh Gupta, Ananya, Arav Gosai, Amulya, Tejaswini, Shaurya Vats and Rishabh Roy. Now the splendid narrator for preschool goes to Lekha Shri Sharma, Parth Rawat, Ramit Singh, Advika Kumar, Krisha Manral, Krisha Gautam and Sorish Gaur. A splendid narrator of pre-primary are Agat Rawat, Myra Gupta, Ronit Kumar, Sanvi Singh, Riyanshi Trivedi, Dhruvi Singhal and Abhigyan Sinha. The next award for an outstanding performer in preschool goes to Dipanshu Basu, Aniket Sharma, Samayra Chadha, Mananya Bisht, Vishal Thakur, Ojasvi Prajapati and Atya Kumari. An outstanding performer from pre-primary classes are Delisha Gupta, Srishti Mishra, Ananya Saxena, Pihu Chaudhary, Sumedha Mishra, Yashvi, Dikshika Tiwari and Yash Saxena. The award for showing great efforts in preschool goes to Akshit Mishra, Abhigyan Das, Naman Sharma, Naisha Tyagi, Disha Verma, Devashish Rajput and Mannat Rana. The award for showing great efforts in pre-primary goes to Avanya Gupta, Shivoham Sharma, Palaksha Deep, Virat, Anika, Yuvan Singh, Ishika and Yug Maheshwari. The preschool children who are awarded for showing sincere efforts are Rudra Bharti, Anvisha Singh, Jashan Narang, Lakshya Sharma, Hridyansh Maheshwari and Raghavi Gupta. Children who are awarded for showing sincere efforts in pre-primary are Vanya, Arav Sharma, Kashmi Nangya, Ojas Behel, Yugan, Hiranya, Vedansh Tyagi and Akarsha. Here comes the next category for fancy dress. In this category, the first award as a spectacular performer for preschool goes to Rudra Bharti, Jiva Chaurasia, Jia, Shashwat Sharma, Ojasvi Prajapati and Ivan Sachar. A spectacular performer from pre-primary classes are Abhinandan Banerjee, Manan Singh, Virat, Abhigyan Sinha, Shrija Singh, Advita Shyam, Ridhishri Burman and Maisha Chaudhary. Now the award for zealous performance in preschool goes to Kanvika Sharma, Abhinithi Singh, Arya Anand, Adhira Singh, Siddharth Dikshit and Ditya Mittal. The award for zealous performance in pre-primary goes to Arihant Kumar, Trisha Mazumdar, Maisha, Advik Sharma, Samar, Abhimanyu Singh, Shriyash Tripathi and Jaykrish Kapoor. Next award for outstanding performance in preschool goes to Sakshi Singh, Triti Sirolia, Sayan Bhaumik, Garvit Chauhan, Ritisha Pandey and Arna Gautam. And outstanding performance from pre-primary classes are Advik Maurya, Viraj Kagra, Saksh Mishra, Swadha Chauhan, Pratyancha, Advika Singh, Preet Sharma and Dhairya. Award for showing creative talent in preschool goes to Anaya Gupta, Milind Kumar, Rhythm, Advik Kesarwani, Saksham Pandey and Drishti Tripathi. Children who are awarded for showing creative talent in pre-primary are Akshit Chaudhary, Riyansh Varshne, Dakshita, Devansh, Ronit Kumar, Kumar Shaurya, Virat Chauhan and Shambhavi. The next award for showing tremendous effort in preschool goes to Katyani Sukhija, Anaya Jain, Kiara Agarwal, Harsh Kumar, Samriddhi and Urvi. And the award for showing tremendous effort in pre-primary goes to Devik, Akshit Jha, Dhanakshi, Devanshi, Aditya Goyal, Aditya Chari, Aditya Raj Gupta and Nimay Upadhyay. Congratulations to all the tiny tots on adding another feather in their cap. Thank you very much.
Hold your breath as our little learners of nursery wing are going to mesmerize you by their versatile talents through a virtual exhibition, Meraki, unleashing the kids' creativity.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to air my views on preschool Tiny Tots creativity. Play is the shortest route between children and their creative calling. Language is the blood of the soul into which thoughts run and out of which they grow. Language development is the process by which a child is able to express, understand the spoken and written words, as well as express through speaking or writing. To enhance one's impressive language skills, few skills are required. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. A language-rich environment is vital to children's early learning and socio-emotional development. The activities enhancing language skills are stories, songs, rhymes, games, presentations, picture reading, clay letters, alphabet wall, etc. For pre-writing skills, activities are tracing, pattern making, paper crushing, scribbling, buttoning, zipping, writing on flower tray, sensory tray, etc. Here are the glimpses of children enhancing their language skills.
My name is Prabhatari. I study in Nursery Lily. Today I in alphabets. A apple, B ball, C cat, D.
Language sets you in a corridor for a life.
Hello, ma'am. F a fish garden. A apple. A hello. A and B ball. B balloon. B ball. B pumpkin.
Knowledge of the language is the door to wisdom. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. So, the learning outcomes from these activities are: children learn to listen and respond attentively. They speak comfortably. They can use greetings and courtesies. They also develop a good vocabulary. They can use small muscles, have good eye-hand coordination. They can express themselves, and many more. The goal of education is not to increase the amount of knowledge, but to create the possibilities for a child to invent and discover. Therefore, cognitive development is a way a child learns, thinks, give reason, and use language, which are vital to the child's overall growth and development. Cognitive development can be further divided into basic concepts, number concepts, environmental concepts, and thinking skills. Basic concepts play an important role. These includes pre-number concepts, concepts of color and shape. For making innovative and creative minds, there are some fun activities which will help us to attain our objective of cognitive skills. These includes shape train, sorting, shape walk, jump in and out, and color hunt, and many more. Children have real understanding only of that which they invent themselves. Classifying, sorting, and making collages will unfold the range of thinking skills and make a strong foundation for problem solving areas. The learning outcome from these activities are children will learn to make simple comparisons. They will develop concept of colors. They will recognize shapes, easily arrange object in sequence. Play is a favorite way of the child for learning. So let's practice play, learn and grow together. Cognitive development involves how children think, explore, and figure things out. It refers to things such as memory and ability to learn new information. Thinking skills are mental activities we use for children to process information and make connections, make decisions, and create new ideas. Children use thinking skills when they try to make sense of experiences, solve problems, make decisions, ask questions, make plans, or organize information. Activities that strengthen cognitive operations are puzzles, seriation, sequencing, odd one out, go together, sorting. The cognitive operation of seriation involves the ability to arrange items along a quantifiable dimension and place them in a chronological order. Sequence learning is inherent to human ability because it is integrated part of conscious and non-conscious learning as well as activities. Odd one out is an excellent tool that aims to promote discussion and observation, encouraging a wider perspective and leading to deeper learning. Inherent curiosity is one of the defining traits of highly effective critical thinkers. This is why, using essential and exploring questions in our teaching, we drive learners' curiosity by engaging them in hands-on activities. We cannot make people learn. We can only provide right conditions for learning to happen. The learning outcome from all these activities, children develop problem-solving ability. They perceive and continue the pattern. They develop mental ability, concept of big, medium, small, enhanced logical reasoning.
One of the most important areas of child's development is creative and expressive arts. Creative and expressive arts include what we used to think as arts, such as drawing, painting, music, dance, drama, and other forms of creative expressions. Art and craft activities ignite creativity, imagination, and self-expressions. During the course of this session, many arts and craft activities were conducted, like mandala art, magic painting, stick puppet, and many more activities which children enjoyed thoroughly. These activities are a process of igniting imagination, thought process, creativity, and most importantly, the feeling of pride in children for achieving their goals and acquiring a sense of accomplishment. Here are the glimpses of few activities. Mandala art. Beautiful arrangement of leaves and flower. Enjoying making stick puppets. Magic painting by our little magicians. Clay modeling by our budding creators. Having fun with different types of printing. Vegetable printing, earbud, finger and thumb printing. Stick and theme drawing by the amazing artists. Here the glimpses of masterpieces of craft work. Our little Picassos at work. These arts and craft activities help to spark creativity, develop hand-eye coordination, enhance fine motor skills, infuse confidence in working with variety of materials and ignited imagination. Other important aspects of creative and expressive arts are music and dance. Music and dance activities help to enhance vocabulary, a sense of rhythm, and control over their body movements. Here's the panorama of music and dance activities. Learning Vedic values through prayers.
मेरा नाम है समधी, मैं नर्सरी कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। अब मैं आप सबको कविता सुनाऊंगी। मैं तोता हूँ, हरे रंग का होता हूँ। चोंच मेरी लाल है, सुंदर मेरी चाल है। बागों में मैं रहता हूँ, मीठे फल में खाता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Learning new words, expressions, and rhythm through rhymes and songs.
My name is Manya Bansal. Let's do jingle bell rhyme. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus coming down, riding on the sleigh. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa Claus coming down, riding on the sleigh. Dashing through the snow in the horse and open sleigh. Over the field we go, laughing on the say. Hey, jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Santa, thank you.
Imbibing culture through bhajans.
मैं रघुपति गाना गायो। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पथिक पावन सीताराम,
Imagination with actions through animal movements. Derive enjoyment out of coordinated movements. Freeze dance.
And freeze. Come on down. And freeze. Come on down. And freeze. Everybody shake your body from your head down to your feet.
following commands through Simon Says. Rhythmic movement by
आगे चले
lingual
गैया पीछे चले ग्वाल आगे चले गैया पीछे चले ग्वाल बीच में मेरो मदन गोपाल छोटी छोटी गैया छोटे छोटे ग्वाल छोटो सो
These music and dance activities help to enrich vocabulary, to understand rhythm, physical development, and provided immense joy to children. The next domain is social and emotional development of children. Social development leads to enhancement of interpersonal skills in children, whereas emotional development improves self-confidence and self-esteem. This domain also caters religion, culture, and nationality. Festivals always spread harmony and happiness. Celebration of different festivals reinforce our glorious culture and heritage. Throughout the year, we kept on celebrating a number of festivals like Raksha Bandhan, a bond of love between sisters and brothers. Little Krishnas and Radhas rejoicing Janmashtami. Proud to be an Indian through Independence Day celebration. Remembering Father of Nation. Our little beacons of clean India celebrating Gandhi Jayanti. Commemorating the victory of good over evil, Vijayadashmi. Celebrating the festival of lights, Deepavali. Little Santas have come to celebrate Christmas. These festivities brought awareness of unity in diversity of our country. All of these activities intend to help children grow, learn, and develop holistically. This would not have been possible without the active support and cooperation of parents. Thank you so much, dear parents.
Good morning everyone. I am here to present the creativity of class pre-primary, our little creators. It is well said that children learn as they play. More importantly, in play, children learn how to learn. As we all know, language plays a vital role in child's life. It refers to the enhancement of communication skills, that is, the ability to understand the spoken and written words, as well as to be able to express self through speaking and writing. There are 4 major skills of language development: listening skills, speaking skills, reading skills, and writing skills. And speaking skills. Listening involves paying attention to sounds and understand their meaning. Speaking and listening usually develop together. For this, we have conducted many online activities like Speak Up Kids, English Rhythm and Rhyme, Listen and Act, Role Play, object of riddles and alphabet game. This activity was conducted in the beginning of the session where child was encouraged to give their self-introduction. This increased the self-awareness. There are some glimpses.
My name is Jessica. I am Nicole. I am 4 years old. I study in KT Delhi. My school name is DAV Public School. Hello, my name is Balsa Chopra. I am a girl. My father's name is Shakshan Chopra. My mother's name is Nandi Chopra. Hello everyone. My name is Vipra Tiwari. I am girl. I am 5 years old. My father name is Vivek Tiwari. My mother name is Prapti Tiwari.
Rhymes are the favorite session for all the lovely kids.
Properly. What's your face? What's every day? Father, mother, brother, sister. What's it every day?
Reading is fun. It helps in improving concentration and exercises the brain activities like word wall, picture talk, story card, sight word reading, fun with words, reading of books, and many more. Wall is a collection of vowel words which are displayed in large visible letters on the wall. Children made this with the help of their parents and used it for reading daily. Word reading inculcates the habit of sight reading. Words are fun to read and write, so to make it learn in a fun way, various activities were done. Storytelling is one way to develop the mind of kids in early ages. It helps in enhancing their listening, speaking, and reading skills. It increases child's focus and concentration, which are very important in child's early years.
Mr. Fox meet Mrs. Dog with a fish near the pond. Mr. Fox invited Mrs. Dog for a lunch. When Mrs. Dog reached Mrs. Fox, Mr. Fox served fish in the plate. Mrs. Dog not able to eat and all food gets split out. After a few days, Mrs. Dog invited Mr. Fox for the lunch. When Mr. Fox reached Mrs. Dog served food in the long glass. Feeding Mr. Fox tried to eat, but his mouth stuck in the glass. Moral of the story: we should always be greedy and always share with others. Thank you.
In these days of smartphones and laptops, do children really need to write well? The answer is yes. We highlight the importance of writing skills for children, and writing is an excellent way to develop motor skills. It creates a strong bond between the brain and the hands. Language is taught with the integration of art to make learner learn in playful method. There were many learning outcomes: vocabulary enhancement, discrimination between different sounds and voices, understand general conversations, express self verbally, read words by joining the phonic sounds, reading and writing of phrases and sentences. गर्व हमें है हिंदी पर, शान हमारी हिंदी है, कहते सुनते हिंदी हम, पहचान हमारी हिंदी है। भाषा मनुष्यों द्वारा उपयोग की जाने वाली संचार की एक प्रणाली है, जिसमें ध्वनियों और लिखित प्रतीकों का एक समूह होता है, जो लोगों द्वारा उपयोग किया जाता है। भाषा वह साधन है जिनके द्वारा बच्चे बोलकर, सुनकर, लिखकर व पढ़कर अपने मन के भावों और विचारों का आदान प्रदान करते हैं। भाषा में 4 तरह के कौशल सम्मिलित हैं, जैसे सुनना, बोलना, पढ़ना और लिखना की कुंजी है। यह दोनों ही कौशल बच्चे के विकास में महत्वपूर्ण है। लिखने का कौशल, लेखन कौशल के माध्यम से बच्चे अपने लिखित शब्दों द्वारा अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करते हैं। बच्चों को भाषा के विकास के लिए अनेक गतिविधियां कराई गई हैं, जैसे कि अंताक्षरी, आज की ताजा खबर, कहानी कला, खेल पिटारा, शब्द भंडार, शब्द चून, कहानी बुन, पर्दे के पीछे, बूझो तो जाने, व्यंजन तंबोला, चिकनी मिट्टी से व्यंजन और शब्दों को बनाने की गतिविधि आदि। आए देखें इन गतिविधियों की एक झलक। व्यंजनों को घर की निजी वस्तुओं से जोड़कर हमने बच्चों को घर में रहकर वर्णमाला से बखूबी परिचय कराया। बच्चों को पढ़ने का महत्व समझाने के लिए उन्हें लिखने के साथ साथ पढ़ने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया गया, जिससे पुस्तक पढ़ने से बच्चों ने शब्दों को जोड़कर वाक्य बनाने के ज्ञान की अवधारणा की। बच्चों ने व्यंजनों और स्वरों को जोड़कर शब्दों की रचना की, जिससे उनकी सोचने और समझने की क्षमता बढ़ी। खेल खेल में बच्चों ने चिकनी मिट्टी के प्रयोग से व्यंजनों और शब्दों को बनाने का अभ्यास किया, जिसे उन्होंने खूब पसंद किया। उनके सुनने, समझने और लिखने के कौशल का विकास हुआ।
बस करूं, घर चलूं, अब घर तक चलूं। दो लोग सामान खरीद रहा है, लड़का पानी भर रहे। धन्यवाद।
के उद्देश्य परिणाम, बच्चों ने अपनी घरेलू भाषा में बुनियादी बातचीत सुनी और समझी। प्रत्येक बच्चे ने नए शब्दों को सुना और उनका प्रयोग किया। बच्चों ने कल्पनाशीलता से विचारों को व्यक्त किया। उन्होंने समझ के साथ चित्र पढ़े और चित्र के अर्थ भी बताए। बच्चों ने शब्दावली के विकास में रुचि दिखाई। उन्होंने चित्रों को अक्षरों और नामों से जोड़ा। बच्चों ने व्यंजन क से ह और स्वर अ से अह की पहचान।
Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Cognitive development refers how children think, explore, and figure things out. It is an important component of early childhood education. However, developing numbers concept and calculative skills required extra efforts as it is an abstract in nature. If we as teachers include purposefully fun and playful activities to teach math skill, then our kids can do wonders. Please allow me to walk you through the activities we have conducted to achieve our purpose. In sponge activity, children were introduced to different shapes like triangle, circle, square, etc. to ensure that they are learning while doing some fun. Abacus activity accelerated and enhanced the number skills without using conventional method of pen and paper. It is very helpful in learning to understand the concept of place value, tens and ones easily. Children created their own number line and were instructed to do addition and subtraction using same number line by jumping forward or backward respectively. For young kids, this activity helped them to do addition and subtraction in playful way. Addition with real objects. This activity works as tool to children to learn and apply their mathematics skills in real world. Kids selected objects they like and asked them to add one more article of same object, which gave them eternal pleasure. Ball from clay. Children were given any random numbers and asked to create ball from same numbers with clay. By introducing all these activities, we tried to put optimum efforts to make a learning conducive environment where kids learn maths in playful manner. They were encouraged to have opportunity to explore and understand concepts through practice, increase both interest and enjoyment in mathematics and many more. As it is rightly said that play is our brain's favorite way of learning. By this note, I want to share one intelligible way of learning the concept of after.
You have to jump for the number which comes after. I will tell you, okay? Number 1, number 3, number 5, number 2, number 1.
The earlier and more often children are exposed to nature, the happier, healthier, and brighter they became. So let's explore area under cognitive development, that is environmental concepts. Environmental concept is one of the important domain where all the activities are set up in such a way that children use their sense of curiosity to learn new things. Virtual visits to different places like Bal Bhavan, school, zoo and Dashera fair were an opportunity for kids to enter into the world of mystical power. Visiting Bal Bhavan virtually helped children to acquire knowledge to follow traffic rules. They came in class with their entry tickets. Children were taken to DAV Public School, Saibabad, also virtually on Teachers' Day, where they visited school and prepared a beautiful greeting cards for their teachers and sung melodious song for their teacher. Children visited zoo virtually with masks, sanitizers, goggles and caps. They were encouraged not to tease animals. Children brought animals at their home that reside in real world with the help of augmented reality. Children also enjoyed virtual Dashera fair. They visited many stalls, saw effigies of Ravan, Kumkaran and Meghnad. They came in different characters of Ramayana and expressed their dialogues.
सबसे प्यारी मेरी टीचर मुझको रोज पिलाती है, रोली पोली करती है। So ma'am, this is for you. You're very pretty. You're very kind. You're very best teacher. I love you, ma'am. मेरी मैडम सबसे अच्छी, हम बच्चों की दोस्त है सच्ची। करो ब्रह्मा, करो विष्णु। मैडम मेरी कितनी अच्छी, हम बच्चों जैसी है सच्ची। मैम, love you teacher, we praise you teacher, we thank you teacher। सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको love you teacher, I love you, I love you। Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day, happy Teachers Day to all my teachers। बड़े प्यार से मुझे पढ़ाती, हमने एकदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार।
The learning outcomes of using these activities are: virtual visits introduce children to the natural world and gives non-formal learning opportunities to children. It also motivated children to understand the importance of taking care of animals and to be kind with them. Children enjoyed and feel pleasure through augmented reality. The Shera fair trip imbibed the cultural and moral values of Ramayana.
Excursions or field trips relate our EVS topics with the natural world. Science explains how and why of things. To understand this, children need to do experiments and research. And for this, we need to enhance the critical thinking of the child. Critical thinking is an essential part of creativity because we need critical thinking to evaluate and improve our creative ideas. The 3 E's for critical thinking are experience, explore, and experiment. Experiential learning is the process of learning through experience. When children explore their surroundings, they take control of their own learning. It helps children to develop their knowledge, experience, curiosity, and confidence. Experiments add fun to their learning. We have conducted various activities to enhance the creativity and understanding of the children, like which one floats, candle game, dirty and clean water, and many more. In this activity, children learn the amazing fact that things float and sink due to their weight, shape, and air space. Many hands-on experiments were done in the classes: magical gloves, rain in a bottle, prick and seek, seed germination, etc. When it comes to preschoolers and science, let observations speak for themselves. If you are not prepared to be wrong, you will never come up with anything original. Critical thinking is quite compatible with thinking out of the box, challenging consensus and pursuing less popular approaches. You can see the glimpses of children doing experiments and enjoying. The learning outcomes from these activities are: children learn the importance of water and air, their properties, learn the process of seed germination to make good decisions, understand the consequences of our actions and solve problems, locate the appropriate route to a goal. They are able to evaluate, draw a conclusion, and form an opinion. Always remember, mistakes allow thinking to happen.
Stamp your feet and clap your hands. Children from so many lands. Children can dance and children can sing. Children can act and children can play, which make the children of the world today. So after language and cognitive skill, let's add spice to your child learning through creative and expressive art, which is the combination of performing a dance, acting in a play, singing in a song. So here is a drama and dramatic play, which is extremely important for the development of child imagination and ability to express themselves in words. Spice. Spice in your play makes learning happens every day. Social, physical, intellectual, creative, and emotional. When you hear the word creative, what springs to your mind? Yes, activities. These are dramatizing story, pantomime, role play, puppets, and creative drama. Fancy dress. Ramayana is an epic which showcases the life of Lord Rama and his morals. As a part of celebration, fancy dress was conducted on theme. Helpers role play. Role playing is an effective way for the children to make the sense of the world around them. Listen and act. Children must be taught what to act, but not how to act. Pretend play. It's not just the play. They are the skills for life. Here kids pretended as their mama and a cute little Santa. When children dramatize story in Hindi and English, they are using their imagination to move beyond the bound of reality. A stick can be a magic wand, socks can be a puppet, and child can be a superhero.
नमस्कार। वंश विराम ने वेशदान किया है। मेरे पिता का नाम दशरथ और मेरी माता का नाम कौशल्या है। इस सृष्टि के सभी जीवन को प्रेम और मैं रानी कैकई हूँ। मुझे राजा ने 2 वर दिए हैं। उनके मांगने का समय आ गया है। राम, आज मैं सीता बनी हूँ। हे दूसरा वर, तो सुन, मैं श्री राम की पत्नी सीता। इस पृथ्वी पर तो क्या, आकाश ही तो पाताल, ऐसा कोई नहीं जन्मा। नमस्कार, आज मैं बनाऊं हनुमान। जय श्री राम, जय श्री राम। मैं रामदूत अंजनी सपूत सागर छलांग कर आया हूँ। हेमंत सिया रावण हूँ मैं, दशानन रावण हूँ मैं वही रावण हूँ जो अपनी बहन के अस्तित्व के लिए। नमस्कार, मैं हूँ राम। नमस्कार, हम कधा सुनाते राम सतले गुल धाम की। हम कधा सुनाते राम सतले गुल धाम की। ए राम। Story of 2 friends, Mr. Peter and Mr. Bean. Do you want to know how they become friends? Okay. One day, Mr. Peter, who walked in one beautiful morning on the street. Mr. Pigeon and Mr. Bee, they are very good friends. One day, Mr. Pigeon sitting on the branch of tree. Suddenly, he Pigeon saw a bee. Look, he should always do for others. Others will come to us. Thank you. Have a nice day, Pigeon and Bee.
Here are the learning outcomes. Developing creativity and outcomes. Developing creativity and imagination, encouraging self-expression, developing coordination, develop vocabulary, express feelings in word, connect action to words. A child needs to move her body to prepare her brain for learning. So after creative and expressive art, let's talk about the physical development, which refers to the advancement and refinement of gross and fine motor skill in a child. Physical development is bifurcated into 2 parts: physical education, health and hygiene. When we talk about physical development of a child, what comes to your mind? Yes, activities. Meditation, breathing exercise, yoga, games like silent walk, hit the target, in and out, aerobic, sprout and fruit party. Meditation. The best and the portable, stress-relieving mindfulness practice is meditation. The chanting of Om. Breathing exercise. Inhaling of peace and exhaling of anxiety is our prime motto to keep our kids relaxed during the pandemic situations. Yoga. Yoga is a light which once lit, which will never dim. The brighter your practice, the brighter is the flame. Here we have introduced some games with our tiny tots like silent walk, hit the target, and many more which help in improving concentration in them. Aerobics. Aerobics is the time when our kids get ready on their toes with full of energy. Sprout and fruit chart party. Now let's talk about the healthy eating habits. To motivate our tiny tot, we have organized sprout and fruit chart party and many more. Here are the learning outcomes. Children now understand that health, care, hygiene, fitness and nutrition are important for health. Refine eye-hand coordination of the child. Maximum development of large and small muscles of the children. Interact with the natural world in a positive way. When I am happy, I laugh. When I am sad, I cry. When I am angry, I yell. Any way I feel, I can show it to you. Do you ever feel the same way too? So let's talk about how socio-emotional growth is important for our tiny tot. It includes child ability to understand, express and deal with their feeling in a positive way. Parent, family and community. They work together for the benefit of the child to provide the conducive environment to the children by engaging them in practical life skill activities. Life skills. Life skills is a set of basic skills acquired through learning, direct life experience that enable the child to effectively handle the issues and problems. Home-school connection. We teacher partnered with parents in developing life skill in children and provide inclusive of specially designed skill-based activity, educating the importance of healthy food and good habits and dispelling the fear about COVID-19. Activities: Milk Day, Earth Day, Save Water Day, International Literacy Day, Global Hand Wash Day, Children's Day, Helpers Day, National Nutrition Week. Milk Day. Drink a glass of milk once or twice, you will get a tasty surprise. Earth Day. The earth is our home, so blue, so green, so let's do our part to keep the earth clean. Save Water Day. Do the earth a favor, be a water saver. International Literacy Day. To make the child aware of the importance of literacy, we celebrated International Literacy Day. Global Hand Washing Day. Clean hands are safe hands. With this motto, Global Hand Wash Day was celebrated. Children's Day. Children's Day was celebrated with excitement and rigor. They enjoyed doing whirly painting. National Nutritious Week. To spread awareness about health and good nutrition, National Nutritious Week was celebrated.
भारत के बच्चे हैं हम कसमियाँ खाते हैं, हम खूब पढ़ेंगे, हम खूब बढ़ेंगे, हम टीचर का मान बढ़ाएंगे, एकजुट होकर एक साथ भारत का भाग्य जगाएंगे. Thank you. Lord, I study in KG Primary. I live in Delhi. I student in DAV Public School. Today I will present rhymes on World Milk Day. So let's start. Milk is white. Milk is life. Drink it every morning and night. Makes stronger and high. Keeps us healthy and bright. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Learning outcome. Parents' positive self-image, connection between home and school, developing a great sense of self-awareness and appreciating for others. Take responsibility for what they do rather than blaming others. Increase awareness of the importance of water and respect for our Mother Earth. Maintain hygiene, wash hand properly using mask and maintain social distancing.
Parents are the ultimate role models for children. No other person or outside force has a greater influence on a child than the parents. We have received number of messages and videos from parents who expressed their feelings about their own experiences of different virtual classes and online learning.
Hello everyone and Happy New Year to all of you. I am here to share my views and a little feedback for this pandemic year. I am Gohika Mehta's mother. She is studying in nursery Daisy. In the beginning of the 2020 session, I was not really sure whether the classes will go on or not. But then DAV Public School Sahibabad started their study sessions on WhatsApp, Google Classroom, and gradually they started virtual online classes. Very well organized and very systematic way of teaching through videos, worksheets, and a lot of activities were conducted, which really helped students to learn, explore, and show their creativity. They celebrated festivals with so much fun and telling students about the festivals also. It really enhanced their talent in all fields: thinking, speaking, writing, drawing, coloring, role play, storytelling, and rhymes. I really appreciate the hard work, efforts, and support of all the teachers. Online PTMs and assessments were conducted for further improvement of children. So I can proudly say that DAV Public School and teachers have been successful in their teaching endeavors. As per the situation, nothing more can be better. So bingo and thumbs up to all of you. Have a great day ahead. Looking forward for the same enthusiasm. Thank you and bye-bye.
Hi, I am Himanshu Maheshwari. I want to take this opportunity to acknowledge and appreciate the efforts put in by DAV institution for our wards during this pandemic. My son Hridyansh Maheshwari, he is a student of class nursery Pen-C. This pandemic had obviously made teaching kindergarten kids even more tricky. Teaching small kids online had to be innovative yet engaging. I think full marks to DAV institution and especially all the teachers. My wife Pooja keeps telling me how teachers come prepared with new teaching aids daily. Their remarkable experience in creatively handling each child has been very handy. I think all the moms have teamed up beautifully with all the teachers to enhance their kids' learning. I always look forward to attending PTMs to gain unique insights and perspectives into my child's personality. I feel fortunate to be part of DAV fraternity, especially at the early stage of my child's learning. Thank you, DAV Public School.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम फैसल सिद्दीकी है, फादर ऑफ अशर सिद्दीकी, जो DAV पब्लिक स्कूल साहिबाबाद में केजी डेलिया में पढ़ता है। कोरोना की वजह से हुए लॉकडाउन के मुश्किल समय में DAV पब्लिक स्कूल साहिबाबाद के प्रिंसिपल सर, ऑल द टीचर्स एंड स्टाफ का मैं शुक्रिया करना चाहता हूँ। ड्यूरिंग दिस डिफ़िकल्ट पीरियड्स अगर स्टूडेंट्स को स्कूल का सपोर्ट नहीं मिला होता तो आज शायद वो ज़ीरो की पोजीशन पर आ जाते, लेकिन टीचर्स ने बहुत डेडिकेशन और इजी वे से बच्चों को पढ़ाया। इसके साथ साथ DAV पब्लिक स्कूल साहिबाबाद ने पेरेंट्स को गाइडेंस दी हाउ दे शुड हैंडल देयर किड्स। एंड स्पेशल थैंक्स टू प्रिंसिपल सर श्री मिस्टर VK चोपड़ा सर, जिन्होंने बखूबी स्कूल के मैनेजमेंट को संभाला और स्टूडेंट्स और पेरेंट्स की इस मुश्किल समय में मदद की। एंड थैंक्स टू ऑल द टीचर्स, स्टाफ एंड मैनेजमेंट DAV पब्लिक स्कूल साहिबाबाद। नमस्कार।
Good evening, ma'am. I am father of Rudra Bharti. He is studying in DAV Saibaba. He is in nursery Lily. I'm making this video just to share a feedback that my son is doing good, and it's all because of the activities which are going on online classes. I must say that teachers are really teachers are really doing well, and I really appreciate that they are appreciating the kids, whatever they are doing. Sometimes they cannot, sometimes they does whatever has been asked by the teacher, but they always appreciate all the students, and they never feel like they are doing an online class, and we always see the things which are going on the online class, and they are doing a lot of things, and they are doing their best, and it's really good. I'm so happy. I'm sure that other teachers are also doing the same thing. I really appreciate the school and teachers. Thank you.
Thank you, parents, for your love, support, patience, guidance, and for the efforts taken by you in encouraging children to learn new things even while staying at home and taking measures for their bright future. Thank you.
We now come to the conclusion of this virtual exhibition. The nursery wing is highly grateful and thankful to our revered principal sir for his constant support and mentorship. The effort of parents and children is truly appreciable and laudable. I thank all our supportive parents for the unwavering cooperation, for seamlessly working together to make such an event count. Thank you, one and all.